Never lose money on a fix and flip by following these steps. We'll accompany these steps with an example so you can get the idea. The first thing we need to do is determine our after repair value, also known as the ARV. The after repair value is calculated by comparing recent sales in the area. Let's say you have an ARV of $100,000 on a property. From here, we subtract all the expenses and the profit from this ARV. And the first thing you need to subtract is the profits. This is the most important part of a flip because without it, why would we do it? So let's just say for this example, we want our profit to be $20,000. We then subtract the fixes we plan on doing on the house. A contractor can be a huge help for an investor if you're starting off. So be sure to use your resources. So let's say for our rehab, we're gonna spend $20,000. We then subtract the holding cost. And this could be the utilities and the mortgage payments if you have one. These holding costs can be recurring payments that you have to make while you own the property and while you're fixing it, such as taxes, insurance, utilities, water waste. For our example, we're gonna assume it's $3,000. We then subtract the purchase closing costs and the sales closing costs. And this includes the agent's commission. These costs could include attorney fees, appraisal fees, inspection fees, and other closing costs associated with the property. So let's just say, for our example, let's say our closing cost equals to $8,000. Before revealing the final step of a fix and flip, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit that notification bell. I personally always like to add a safety factor in case something was to happen or something that we did not expect. This safety factor will protect us from anything that happens. So for our safety margin, we're gonna say it's $5,000 for our safety. At the number that you arrive after this calculation is completed, this is your right purchase price for this deal. If you do this right, the chances of you losing money are very low. So for our example deal, my right price to purchase is $44,000. By following this simple formula, you will always succeed as a fix and flipper. Hit that thumbs up if you like this video and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more content like this one.